Portable interactive whiteboard presentation. Simple and practical. USB-C. The receiver. Head. US cable. Plug the USB into your computer. Plug the microSD into the receiver. Place the receiver on the whiteboard. Hold down the key to calibrate. 9-point calibration. The maximum writing area is 120 inches. Calibrated. Start to use. Writing is smooth. Accurate positioning. The pen is the mouse. Supports all third-party applications. Is your business teaching speech a good helper?